Okay. Right, coffee, let's go. Fancy looking glass. Let's go on an adventure. Welcome to On The Square Emporium, a shop filled to the brim with wonderful mirrors. Drop dead, Fred. A Leon from Zeon. A vintage cup of tea. A little chair. A big chair. A very big chair. And a huge chair. Ooh, lots. And lots. And lots of clocks. Spacemen and working bears. French soap. Some TG green. Cornish ware. Vintage toys. And vintage dreams. And a world of rugs. And lights, 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 lights. Local art. On the Square Originals, a plain plane. Fantastic. Brewrania Delights. Vintage advertising. Ooh, drinkingy. Gumballs. A vintage puppet machine. Ooh, how do I get in here? Hello.